Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 16th of January 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs. Our first question is, what is the rank of India in the Henley Passport Index 2021? Answer is option number 485th. What is Henley Passport Index? The Henley Passport Index is a global ranking of countries according to the travel freedom for their citizens. It was started in 2006 as Henley and Partners Visa Restrictions Index and was modified and renamed in January 2018. It provides a ranking of 199 passports of the world according to the number of countries their holders can travel to visa free. The number of countries that a specific passport can access becomes its visa free score, and it is prepared in collaboration with the International Air Transport Association and based on the official data from the global database. Answer will be option number 485th. India ranks at 85th number. First number is carried by Japan and Singapore stands at second number in Henley Passport Index 2021. Next question is, who is the author of the book The Population Myth, Islam, Family Planning and Politics in India? Answer is option number 3, S.Y. Qureshi. S.Y. Qureshi is a former Chief Election Commissioner of India and he recently has written the book titled The Population Myth, Islam, Family Planning and Politics in India. It has been published by HarperCollins India, and the book evaluates India's demographic from a religious perspective and seeks to demolish two basic myths that Islam is against family planning and Muslims' rate of growth is linked to capture political power. Answer will be option number 3. Next question is, RBI has cancelled the license of Vasantdada Nagri Sahakari Bank Limited. This bank is based in which state? Answer is option number 4, Maharashtra. Vasantdada Nagri Sahakari Bank Limited is based in Maharashtra in Usmanabad district, and recently RBI has cancelled its license. Answer will be option number 4, Maharashtra. Maharashtra, look at map. It was formed on 1st of May 1960. Capital is Mumbai. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshari. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray. Its legislature has 288 plus 78 members. That is, in Vidhan Sabha there are 288 and in Vidhan Parishad there are 78 members. 48 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 19 members are elected to Rajya Sabha. From Maharashtra, it is the third largest state by area and second largest by population in India. It borders with Goa, Karnataka, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers of Maharashtra, and Maharashtra is the third most urbanized state in India. This license has been cancelled by RBI. RBI, long form is Reserve Bank of India. It was established on 1st of April 1935. Headquarters is Mumbai, and currently Governor is Shaktikant Das. Shaktikant Das is the 25th Governor of RBI. Next question, who among the following has recently been appointed as the new Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court? Answer is option number 1, Jitendra Kumar Maheshwari. Jitendra Kumar Maheshwari or Justice Jitendra Kumar Maheshwari has recently been appointed as the new Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court, and he will replace Arup Kumar Goswami as Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court. Next question is, which of the following day is celebrated as National Youth Day in India? Answer is option number 1, 12th January. Every year 12th January is celebrated as National Youth Day in India. The National Youth Day is celebrated to commemorate the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was a social reformer, philosopher and thinker, and the main objective behind the celebration of this day is to propagate the philosophy and the ideas of Swami Vivekananda, for which he lived and worked. The National Youth Day creates awareness and provides knowledge about the rights of people in India. It is a day to educate people to behave properly in the country. The main objective behind this celebration is to make better future for the country by motivating the youth and spreading the ideas of Swami Vivekananda. National Youth Day is also known as Yuva Divas. Answer will be option number 1. Next question is, which country has been selected as the focus country in the 51st National Film Festival of India? Answer is option number 1, Bangladesh. The International Film Festival of India, that is IFFI, was founded in 1952. It is one of the most significant film festivals in Asia. It is held annually in the state of Goa in India, and it aims at providing a common platform for the cinemas of the world to protect the excellence of the film art, contributing to the understanding and appreciation of cultures of different nations in the context of their social and cultural ethos, and promoting friendship and cooperation among the people of the world. This festival is conducted jointly by the Directorate Directorate of Film Festival and the State Government of Goa in 2021. It is the 51st edition of this festival, and it is being conducted from January 16 to January 24, 2021, and Bangladesh is the focus country at this film festival. Answer will be option number 1, Bangladesh. Bangladesh, look at the map. This is Bangladesh. Capital is Dhaka. President is Abdul Hamid. PM is Sheikh Hasina, and currency of Bangladesh is Taka. Next, Tata Consultancy Services Limited has recently become the dash company to hit rupees 12 lakh crore in market capitalization. Answer is option number 2, second. Tata Consultancy Services, or it is also called TCS, and recently it has become the second Indian company to hit 12 lakh crore in market capitalization. Tata Consultancy Services, or TCS Limited, is an Indian multinational information technology services and consultancy company. It was founded in 1968, headquarters is in Mumbai, and currently chairman is Natarajan Chandrasekharan. Answer will be option number 2, second. Next question, which edition of the biennial coastal defense exercise Sea Vigil 21 has been conducted in January 2021? Answer is option number 2, second. Recently in January 2021, second edition of Sea Vigil 21 has been conducted by Indian Navy, and first edition of this exercise was held in 2019. Answer will be option number 2, second. Next, the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana has completed dash years in 2021. Answer is option number 2, 5. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was launched on 2016 by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi as an insurance services for farmers for their yield. It was formulated in line with One Nation One Scheme theme by replacing earlier two schemes called National Agriculture Insurance Scheme and Modified National Agriculture Insurance Scheme by incorporating their best features and removing their inherent drawbacks. It aims to reduce the premium burden on farmers and ensure early settlement of crop insurance claims for the full insured sum. The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana aims to provide a comprehensive insurance cover against failure of the crop, thus helping in stabilizing the income of farmers. And the scheme is being administered by Ministry of Agriculture, and recently it has completed 5 years. Answer will be option number 2. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which country's parliament has passed the Malala Yousafzai Scholarship Act 2020? Answer is option number 3, America. Second question was, which of the following day is celebrated as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas annually? Answer is option number 1, 9th January. Which of the following country has recently conducted a test flight of a guided multi-launched rocket system Fateh 1? Answer is option number 3, Pakistan. Madhav Singh Solanki has recently died at the age of 94. He was the former Chief Minister of Dash. Answer is option number 1, Gujarat. India and Dash has successfully tested a medium-range surface-to-air missile MRSAM. Answer is option number 1, Israel. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Hindi Day annually? Answer is option number 2, 10th January. Who among the following has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Sikkim recently? Answer is option number 4, J.K. Maheshwari. In which of the following place Khelo India Ice Hockey Tournament has been organized recently? Answer is option number 4, Kargil. Michael Kindo has recently died at the age of 73. He was associated with which of the following sports? Answer is option number 2, hockey. Which state has started Krishi Sanjeevani vans recently? Answer is option number 4, Karnataka. And now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, who has been appointed as the new chairman of Selection Committee of Indian Cricket Team by BCCI recently? Answer is option number 2, Chetan Sharma. Now today's question is, who has been appointed as the new Director General of CISF recently? Central Industrial Security Force. Options are Kumar Rajesh Chandra, Subodh Kumar Jaiswal, Lakshmi Narayan, and Ajay Kumar Pandey. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.